Hi friends, welcome. So today's topic is syllogism. So I want to discuss about this topic, syllogism. So it's very interesting topic. So in reasoning, so like basically what is syllogism? Syllogism in the sense it is a Greek word actually. It is derived from this syllogismos. This is the actual word and it is derived. Like what exactly it means is like it means conclusion interface. Okay. So there will be they will be giving some statements. So from that statements some conclusions also will be given. So from that conclusions we need to draw some Venn diagrams and we need to conclude the solution by using that statements and conclusions. Okay, for example, yeah, in your examinations you will be getting questions like this. So definitely you'll be going to getting like some 3 to 5 questions in your examinations, whether it is a competitive exam or a interview examination. Okay, so they will be giving like this: all A's are B's, all A's are B's, or all B's or C's. From that, so basically this will be called as a minor minor thing, and it will be called as a major. It will be called as minor term and it will be called as major term. And in middle we have this, right? So this is the thing combining these two statements, and it will be called as middle term. Okay, so basically this is the high level overview of this concept. So let's get into directly into questions. So like we have some rules. Some of the people will also solve syllogism by using some rules and all. So if you use that rules, so it will be very confusing for you to solve the questions in an examination. So if you use Venn diagrams to solve these syllogism questions, it will be super easy for you to crack the answers in a very easy way. Okay, so I already explained about Venn diagram. So we'll be solving all the syllogism questions using Venn diagrams model. Okay, Venn diagram models. So I already done a detailed video on Venn diagrams. So if you not yet visited that video, go and visit that video. If you don't know about Venn diagrams, so it will be more clearer for you now. Okay, so I'm giving the link in the description or the upper, so you can check that. So let's directly jump into questions to know the models and all. Okay, so let's see the questions directly so that we'll be getting some idea and all how to solve these syllogism questions and all. So I'm reading question for you. Basically, as I told you, they will be giving some statements and followed by conclusions. So we need to deduct by using Venn diagrams and we need to pick the answer among these. So this is the exact question they will be giving you in any of the competitive exam or the placement test. So you need to follow the simple method, that is Venn diagram, and try to tackle the answer in a desired way. Okay, so first I'm reading question for you. So they given like this. This is the statements they are giving. All the harmoniums are instruments. All the instruments are flutes. So these two statements they have given. From this we need to verify these conclusions are following or not in a proper way. Okay. So and we need to conclude a certain kind of answer in the end. Okay. So from statements I can easily draw some Venn diagrams, right? So all the harmoniums are instruments. So, okay. So I'm writing drawing Venn diagram here. All the harmoniums or instruments. So they're saying all the harmoniums are instruments. Okay, so like this you need to draw. All the harmoniums are inside the instruments. So all the instruments are flutes. So all the instruments are flutes. Okay, flutes F. So I'm representing like this. Okay, so from this from statement we have drawn a simple Venn diagram. So we need to see the conclusions they are following or not, and we need to pick the desired answer. Okay, as simple as it. Okay, the first conclusion would be all the flutes are instruments. They're saying all the flutes are instruments. No, it is not. All the flutes are not instruments, right? So if we say like this, all the instruments are flutes, it is a correct answer. Okay, but he's asking like all the flutes are instruments, so it is not a correct. All the flutes are not instruments. Okay, you need to check like this but not like this. Okay, so first one is wrong. All next conclusion is like all the harmoniums are flutes. All the harmoniums are flutes, so it's coming all the harmoniums are flutes, so all harmoniums are inside the flutes, right? So second one is right. So only two follows, so we need to pick this option, only two follows. I hope you cleared with this simple example. So let's discuss more and more examples to get a direct clarification on syllogism topic. So this is the second question we are seeing on syllogism. So what they are saying is like in statements, Some actors are singers, all singers are dancers. Okay, so let's draw this. So some actors are singers, all singers are dancers, so all the singers are dancers. Okay, so this is the statements they given. So what conclusions they are given, let's verify. Some actors are dancers, some actors are dancers, so some is okay. So no singer is a actor, no singer is a actor, so it is a wrong thing, right? So some actors are dancers, some actors are dancers, some is okay. So only one follows, only one follows. So I hope you understood the simple procedure of the syllogism, how to do it. So let's see the next question. It's a very easy thing. Okay, so you need to simply read the statements and draw the Venn diagram and try to tackle with the conclusions and try to pick the answer in a very easy way. Okay, let's solve this question. Some ants are parrots, so they are giving like some ants are parrots, all parrots are apples, all parrots are apples. Okay, so let's see the conclusions. All apples are parrots, so they are saying all apples are parrots, no, right? Some apples only parrots, so that is not correct. Some ants are apples, some ants are apples. Okay, so only two follows. Okay, going to the next question. So they are saying some papers are pens, all pencils are pens. Okay, so let's draw this. Okay, so they are saying some papers are pens, all the pencils are, all the pencils are pencils, all the pencils are pens, so all the pencils or pens. Okay, so let's see the conclusions. Some pens are pencils, some pens are pencils, correct. Some pens are papers, some pens are papers, so both follows. Okay, so both follows, so easy. So simply we need to study carefully the statements and try to draw the Venn diagram and see the conclusions whether it is following the statements or not, and try to pick the correct answer. Syllogism is a very easy topic when it comes to my opinion. Next question. So like remember one simple trick. So all means it's a universal positive. Okay, so all statement says that it is a positive statement. So if you have both positive statements, the answer definitely comes positive statements if you have conclusion all. Okay, so let's see the question. All the actors are girls, all girls are beautiful, all the actors are girls, all the actors are girls, all girls are beautiful, so all girls are beautiful. So let's see the conclusions. All girls, all actors are beautiful, all actors are beautiful. Yes, it's a correct. All actors are beautiful. Some girls are actors, some girls are actors, some girls are actors. Yes, correct. So both follows like that. Okay, so what I told you here is like one if you have all statement, so all is like positive statement. If you have all, so it is like in the conclusion we are having all means, so 90% follows that rule. Okay, all actors are girls, all girls are beautiful, so all actors are beautiful, so all definitely true right here. So like that, all is a positive statement, and in conclusion if you have all means definitely it follows 90% of the times. Okay, so remember this trick. So next question. So all windows are doors, no door is a wall. Okay, so we need to draw Venn diagram like this for this. All windows are doors, no door, no door is a wall, no door is a wall. So there is no relation, no door is a wall. So what conclusion they are giving here? Some windows are walls, some windows are walls. So there is no some relation here. No wall is a door, no wall is a door. So it is a correct. No wall is a door. So only two follows. So going to the next question. All cups are books. All cups are books. All books are shirts. Okay. Also, what conclusions they are saying? Some cups are not shirts. Some cups are not shirts. No, it is not a correct. Some shirts are cups. Some shirts are cups. So two follows. Only two follows. Okay. So like this. So there is no much explanation we need to give for these kind of questions. So simply we need to study well the statements, and we need to be very well prepared with the Venn diagram, and we'll try to draw the we'll try to draw a Venn diagram. After drawing Venn diagram, we need to detect the conclusions whether it is following or not. That is very simple Venn diagrams. Okay. So see this question. Some dogs are bats. So they are saying some dogs are bats. Some bats are cats. So this is the statements they have given. So conclusion: some dogs are cats. Some dogs are cats. No. Some cats are dogs. No. So there is no relation, right? Some dogs are cats. No. Some cats are dogs. Some in some situations, some people may draw like this also. Okay. So let me draw. Some dogs are bats, right? Some bats are cats. Some bats are cats. So they will also draw like this sometimes, but it is not the correct way of drawing. Okay. So this is the exact way. So we need to like see this kind of imagination of drawing Venn diagram and try to detect the conclusions. Okay. Some dogs are cats. It's no relation. Some cats are dogs. No relation. So we need to pick neither following. Neither one, not two follows. So this is the simple solution. So I hope you got some clarity on Venn diagrams. So if you like this video, do share, like, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon for further updates, and I will be notifying you with the latest updates on daily basis. Okay. And also do share this presentation who are qualifying for competitive exams or placement tests. It will be most helpful for them. Okay. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries or questions, you can comment your queries in the comment section. So I'll immediately respond to your queries. Okay. So this is how we can draw all the syllogism topics. And if I found any more interesting questions on syllogism topic, I'll definitely make a video on that. Or if you have any suggestions also, you can comment me. I'll do video on your suggestions. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.